Basically, if you're on a well and you're getting ready to install an acid neutralizer, iron filter, or water softener, and you have a ton of sediment coming out of the well, you definitely want to install one of these. This is a 20-inch Big Blue system. It's a 4x20 sump with a 5-micron filter that comes with it, and a mounting bracket and a wrench to remove the sump and change the filter. People ask me, what type of filter should I get as far as a sediment filter goes to put before my unit? And some people put one after the unit. This doesn't require a replacement cartridge. You see sediment build up in the collection chamber. You just put a bucket underneath of it, open the red handled valve, and your household water pressure will blow this out in like 2 seconds and you're good to go. This filter is for smaller particles down to 5 microns and has a large cartridge inside and has to be changed every 4 to 6 months. And there's a cost involved. So you have to decide less maintenance, more maintenance, and which one's right for you. If you have questions, give us a call or send me a text and I can help you make that decision. As far as installation goes, this is an inline filter. It's supported by the pipes, doesn't need a bracket, doesn't mount to the wall. This has a bracket and mounts to the wall, and you have to do some drilling. You're going to need a hammer drill with a concrete bit, and it's going to take a little time, but it's super heavy duty and it's built to last, and it traps sediment down to 5 microns, which is pretty much the diameter of human hair. These come in 1 inch, so if you have 3/4 inch, you're going to have to reduce down to 3/4. Now people ask, can I install this myself? If this is the only thing you're installing, fairly simple to do. 1 inch inlet and outlet. This is a 1 inch inlet and outlet. Like I said, if you need to reduce down, you'll use a reducing bushing in the fitting that you use to connect these to the plumbing. Basically, as far as installing this goes, you're going to pick your spot after the pressure tank. You're going to put this up against the wall, mark it with a Sharpie or a pencil, the 4 holes that you're going to have to drill. Drill your holes, put your anchors in. It comes with 4 screws, and then mount it to the wall. Make sure it's nice and sturdy, and then you can do your plumbing. As far as installing this is pretty simple. There's no bracket, there's no straps or anything like that. It's supported by the pipe. It's not very heavy. It's fairly light, not like the Big Blue filter that probably weighs 10 or 15 pounds. Basically, if you have 3/4, you'll put in a 1 inch fitting into here and use a reducing bushing to reduce down to 3/4. If you have 1 inch plumbing, you're good to go. You just might have to convert from PVC to a CPVC fitting so you can mount this to the plumbing. But like I said, it's supported by the pipe. It's very easy to install. It's very easy to use. Basically, once you get the sediment in the collection chamber, you just open it up, it flushes, shut it off, you're done. All filters have to be mounted like this. It can't go like this. You're not supposed to do it like that because it collects sediment at the bottom. It uses centrifugal force. It spins the water around and it forces all the sediment to the bottom of the collection chamber. So when it's full, you can open it up, flush it, shut it off, you're done. Not like this, like this. Typically, all sediment filters are the first thing in line to trap sediment to keep the valves and the tanks clean and dirt-free. Sometimes customers do put one after in case something goes wrong in the tank and media gets heaved out, the sediment filter catches it and keeps it from getting in your plumbing, which is a good idea. So as far as maintenance goes, and it depends on how much sediment you have in the water. If you have light sediment, it could be every 6 to 12 months. If you have heavy sediment, you could be changing this thing on a weekly basis. If you want to contact us, you can call 800-460-5810 or use our online chat at www.midatlanticwater.net. Best way to get a hold of me, because the phone rings like crazy here, is text me Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. at 443-277-2204.